A very good morning to all of you from Team Wordaholics. At Wordaholics, it is our mission to help the students and the learners sound sophisticated and score more in their lives, in their exams and competitive exams. We have the tradition of sending daily based vocabulary words for your competitive exams like CAT, SAT, GRE, GMAT, and these words will also help you in the English section for your banking exams or your SSC exams and UPSC exams. So the word set for today that we're going to discuss are maverick, mayhem, meandering, melting pot, and mercenary. Out of these words, of these 5 words, the words that you must absolutely know are, and that we're going to discuss today, are maverick, mayhem, meander, and mercenary. So now what we'll do is we'll just go to the words one by one, and we'll try to find out how do we remember this for a longer time. What is the word all about? What is the antonym? What is the synonym? What is the Hindi for that? And what are the various ways in which we can use it in real life? How it is being used by the best of best articles and the best of best magazines and news sites across Google, that we'll be discussing it one by one, word wise. So the first word is maverick. What is the meaning of maverick? Maverick means somebody who's a non-conformist, somebody who does not believe in following the rules and regulations, somebody who's a free spirit, somebody who's unconventional, doesn't think like the normal, is not a traditional mindset. He's a trendsetter. He will be a pioneer. He will go and set a trend for that particular business. Is a maverick. हिंदी इज़ अपरंपरागत, परंपरा के अगेंस्ट जो जाते हैं. अपरंपरागत इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ मैवरिक. Antonym would be somebody who conforms to the rules, conformist. Pronunciation is maverick, maverick. Now usage, before going to the usage, we just let us look at the mnemonic for this particular word. Maverick, imagine Ricky Ponting. So Ricky Ponting was an unconventional fieldsman. Whenever he used to play cricket, whenever he was fielding for the Australian side, he created a trend. He would not let the ball go. If a ball was coming towards his side, he would not let the ball go for a boundary. He would dive. He would just lie down. He will just throw himself away, but he will try to hold the ball and save the boundary. That was Ricky Ponting for the world. And maverick, in fact, in that meaning somebody who is an all-rounder, is a free spirit in his fielding style. He will not, if he had listened to the traditional ways of fielding, he would have let the ball go. कि भाई मेरे से बहुत दूर जा रही थी, I would let the ball go. But he did not do that. He changed the trend. He was unconventional in his approach in fielding, and that is why he was a maverick. So that, I hope, will help you remember. Maybe Ricky Ponting will help you remember this word for a longer time. Usage is maverick approach. Ramdev, the maverick yoga guru. Sentence 1. Maverick filmmaker Neeraj Pandey, best known for Baby, A Wednesday, Special 26, has delivered a power-backed thriller. Sentence 2. Sidhu has been a true maverick on and off the field. His diverse career ranged from a cricketer, commentator, TV show, guest, and finally a politician. Sentence 3. Kohli shattered record of Sir Don Bradman. The maverick Indian batsman took just 239 balls to reach his double ton. Sentence 4. Mulayam Singh, the maverick wrestler turned politician, is known for using a wrestling Dao page to forge ahead in politics. Now we'll move to word number 2, that is mayhem. Mayhem means something just in chaos, destruction, disorder, confusion, havoc, or madness. Mayhem is when you destroy something, you create a chaos. It's basically a chaos or a disorder. Something is not organized in a proper way, is a mayhem. Hindi would be Ashanti Halchal. Antonym is just opposite of that, is calm and harmony. Pronunciation is mayhem. It's clear from the word itself. Now look at the mnemonic. You knowing that the stitching particular cloth requires a hem. We call that hem. The sewing part is called the hem. The particular way of stitching clothes is called hem. Now imagine something that breaks that hem, which may cause the hem to break. If you just cut one particular thread of that particular stitch, the entire cloth will go in a mayhem. It will go in a chaos. It will tear off. It will go into disorder. It will go into confusion. So mayhem, you can understand it by that particular word. It something that causes mayhem. Mayhem. Look at the word. May is underlined and hem is underlined. Something which may cause the hem to go in an unorderly way is called mayhem. Usages: end the mayhem, months of mayhem. Sentence 1. WannaCry mayhem, which affected over 2 lakh computers in more than 150 countries, seems to be shrinking. Sentence 2. Ranveer Singh, who is known for his quirky nature and dressing style, is all set to cause mayhem now, which is his new avatar for an ad campaign. Sentence 3. The mayhem caused by Dangal and Bahubali 2 worldwide is threatening Hollywood's monopoly over global markets. Sentence 4. In IPL's history of 10 years, many batsmen have unleashed mayhem, but no one like Chris Gayle. Now we'll move to word number 3 is meander. Meander is zigzag, twist, turn, bend, convolution, curve. Meandering is something when you are moving in a zigzag way, moving aimlessly in a zigzag twisted way. Hindi is dishahin ghumna, without any reason. If you are moving wherever you want to go, you are taking a left or taking a right and just going roundabout is meandering. Antonym is to the point. If you are not meandering, if you are not moving aimlessly, you are focused, you are to the point. Pronunciation is meander. Usage. Before the usage, we'll go to the mnemonic. Imagine the word. Look at the word meander. There are two individual words over there. Me and andar. Sounds like andar. Hindi andar. Imagine अगर मुझे कहीं किसी जगह पर अंदर पे रख दिया है तो मुझे रोशनी नहीं है वहाँ पर, एक सबवे के नहीं अंदर पे, अगर मैं गुफा के अंदर पे हूँ, इन दैट केस आई विल कीप ऑन meandering for to find out the direction. I'll have to go take left, I'll have to take right, I'll keep on experiment through trials and errors. I'll maybe reach the end of that particular tunnel. So that is meander. If you are moving aimlessly to find the particular direction to get out of the tunnel is when you are meandering. So this will probably help you remember this word for a longer time. Usage: meander through the villages, meander aimlessly. Sentence 1. The Babri Masjid case has been meandering for a long time in the trial court as many witnesses and accused have died. Sentence 2. Movie review. The first 45 minutes of the narrative meanders and the audience is bored till just before the interval. Sentence 3. The compound of the temple was engrossed badly by illegal construction and one had to meander for long to reach inside. Sentence 4. Arjun Kapoor said, I am always trying to meander my way into every household in India. I want to be a pan-India hero. That's how you survive. This will leave for the time being. Melting pot will leave for the time being. You can, if you are interested, you can pause this video and have a look at this particular phrase. Now, the word is mercenary. The next word is mercenary. Mercenary is somebody who is money oriented, who is somebody who is greedy, who is covetous, who wants something in life very seriously and is greedy for that particular thing. Hindi is kiraye ke sainik. Kiraye ke sainik, lobhi, somebody who is running after, hankering after money is a mercenary. Antonym is somebody who is philanthropic, who जो दान धर्म में विश्वास करते हैं, who gives a lot of charity is a philanthropic person, the opposite of mercenary. Pronunciation is mercenary. Now we'll go to the mnemonic first. Mnemonic is mercy. Look at the word mercenary. Underline two words: mercy, M-E-R-C-E, sounds like mercy, and na, somebody who does not have mercy. Somebody who does not have mercy will be somebody who is greedy, somebody who is money oriented, who has no mercy on people, who has no mercy on people for whatever good or bad. They are not sympathetic, they are mercenaries, money oriented, they are very greedy in life. So mercenary, having no mercy, someone interested only in money is a mercenary. I hope that will help you remember this word for a longer time. Usage: selfish mercenary, calling somebody a mercenary. Sentence 1. I am no mercenary, insists AB de Villiers after South African star picks 2020 cash over playing a test tour in England. Sentence 2. When Neymar returned, he was greeted by posters labeling him a traitor and a mercenary with dollar signs besides his name. Sentence 3. Pakistan's army and ISI support mercenary jihadis recruited by a terrorist organization like that, LET and JEM, to wage the war. Sentence 4. There's an obscene amount of money behind being charged by the mercenary Generation X. These bunch of youngsters feel they are entitled to high salaries. That's all for today at Wordaholics. And as we keep on saying, keep sounding sophisticated and score more. Also, if you have a relative, a friend, a colleague, or someone who would be interested in learning new words and learning how to add those vocabulary into your daily usage sentences, they can SMS or WhatsApp ADD to 9546307452. That's the WhatsApp number to receive these power words daily for free. Also, as a bonus, if you are interested in increasing your fluency in speaking English properly, if fluency is a problem, you can download the book from Amazon Kindle and read that particular book for free for the time being. For the Prime subscribers, Amazon Prime subscribers, that particular offer is free for the time being. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Thank you so much. We'll meet with the next word tomorrow.